Beneath the surface of our rivers and lakes, a world teeming with life exists, often hidden from our view. This underwater realm is a delicate balance of ecosystems, each species playing a crucial role in maintaining the health and vitality of our aquatic environments. However, a silent invasion is happening. Invasive species, often introduced by human activities, are disrupting this balance, causing harm to native species and altering the ecosystem in ways we are only beginning to understand. Among these invaders is a beautiful creature that hides a destructive power. Its appearance is deceiving, masking the threat it poses to the underwater world. The pink zebra mussel, with its fancy shell, shows how nature can be both lovely and dangerous. This mussel, with its striking pink and black stripes, is a perfect example of how beauty can sometimes hide a darker side. These mussels, often no bigger than your thumbnail, have bright pink and black stripes that make them stand out. Their small size and attractive appearance make them seem harmless, but they are anything but. Each shell is different, like a tiny piece of art. The intricate patterns and vibrant colors are a testament to the wonders of nature, but they also serve as a reminder of the hidden dangers lurking beneath the surface. But this beauty hides a scary truth. The pink zebra mussel is not just a pretty shell. It is a formidable invader that can cause significant damage to our waterways. The pink zebra mussel, a close relative of the infamous zebra mussel, can reproduce at an alarming rate. This rapid reproduction allows them to quickly establish large populations, outcompeting native species for resources. Just one female can lay 1 million eggs every season. This prolific breeding means that their numbers can explode in a short period, leading to widespread infestations. This helps them silently take over our waterways. As they spread, they attach to surfaces, clogging pipes and outcompeting native species, ultimately disrupting the entire ecosystem. The pink zebra mussel is a haunting beauty, a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the impact of invasive species. The pink zebra mussel is a survival expert. These small but resilient creatures have developed an incredible ability to adapt and thrive in various environments. Originating from Eastern Europe, they have now spread to many parts of the world, causing significant ecological and economic impacts. Their journey across continents is a testament to their tenacity and adaptability. Its tiny larvae float in the water and are easily carried to new places. These larvae, known as veligers, are microscopic and can remain suspended in the water column for weeks. During this time, they are transported by currents, boats, and even in the ballast water of ships, allowing them to colonize new areas far from their original habitat. This dispersal mechanism is one of the key reasons for their widespread distribution. They stick to boats, fishing gear, even the feathers of birds. This ability to attach to various surfaces ensures that they can hitch a ride to new locations. Once attached, they are difficult to remove, often requiring specialized equipment and significant effort. This not only facilitates their spread, but also causes problems for industries and ecosystems alike. Their journey is often unseen, their arrival a secret. By the time they are noticed, they have often already established a foothold in the new environment. This stealthy invasion makes it challenging to control their spread and mitigate their impact. Early detection and rapid response are crucial in managing their populations. Once they find a spot, they attach themselves to anything hard, rocks, docks, even other mussels. Their strong byssal threads allow them to cling tightly to surfaces, forming dense colonies. These colonies can cover large areas, outcompeting native species for space and resources. Their presence can alter the physical and chemical properties of the habitat, making it less suitable for other organisms. Their numbers grow quickly, forming huge groups that cover everything underwater. These dense aggregations can clog water intake pipes, damage infrastructure, and disrupt recreational activities. The economic cost of managing and mitigating their impact runs into billions of dollars annually. Their rapid reproduction and growth make them a formidable invasive species. These invaders eat tons of tiny plankton, disrupting the balance of life in the water. By filtering large volumes of water to feed on plankton, they can significantly reduce the availability of this crucial food source for other aquatic organisms. This can lead to declines in fish populations and other species that rely on plankton for sustenance. They gobble up important nutrients, damaging the entire food chain. The depletion of plankton and other nutrients can have cascading effects throughout the ecosystem, affecting everything from the smallest microorganisms to the largest predators. The pink zebra mussel's impact on aquatic environments is profound and far-reaching, highlighting the need for effective management and control measures. The story of the pink zebra mussel is a warning. This small but mighty creature has had a profound impact on ecosystems, economies and communities. Its journey from the rivers of Europe and Asia to the vast waters of North America is a tale of unintended consequences and ecological upheaval. Originally from the rivers and lakes of Europe and Asia, the pink zebra mussel thrived in its native habitats. These mussels played a role in their ecosystems, filtering water and providing food for other species. However, their story took a dramatic turn when they were inadvertently transported across the globe. They were accidentally brought to North America in the water ships carry for ballast, known as ballast water. This water, taken on in one part of the world and released in another, often carries with it a hidden cargo of aquatic organisms. The pink zebra mussel was one such stowaway. Their arrival in the Great Lakes in the 1980s started a silent invasion. These mussels found the new environment to their liking and began to reproduce at an alarming rate. They've spread rapidly, attaching themselves to any hard surface they can find, from boat hulls to water intake pipes. Carried by currents, on boats and even by animals, the pink zebra mussel has shown an incredible ability to adapt and spread. Their larvae, which are microscopic, can be transported unnoticed in the smallest amounts of water, making containment a significant challenge. They've invaded rivers, lakes and canals across North America and Europe. Their presence has led to significant ecological changes, outcompeting native species for food and habitat, and altering the very nature of the water bodies they infest. They show us how connected our waterways are and how easily invasive species can spread. This connectivity is a double-edged sword, facilitating both commerce and the unintended spread of species. The story of the pink zebra mussel is a stark reminder of the delicate balance within our ecosystems and the far-reaching impact of human activities on the natural world. The pink zebra mussel is terrible for underwater life. They eat so much plankton that other animals starve. Fish populations shrink because they can't compete with these invaders. The water becomes clearer as the plankton disappears, letting sunlight reach deeper. This causes more algae to grow, further upsetting the balance. The once vibrant underwater world becomes a boring place, dominated by these mussels. The pink zebra mussel's impact isn't just environmental. They also cause serious economic problems. They clog pipes that carry water to factories and towns. Removing them is very expensive. Millions are spent every year scraping them off, using chemicals and trying to stop them. They also hurt tourism and recreation. Beaches become covered in sharp shells, making it dangerous to swim or play. The pink zebra mussel directly affects people too. Their sharp shells can cut swimmers and boaters. They can make drinking water taste and smell bad. Even worse, they can absorb poisons from the water, making fish dangerous to eat. They can also cause the growth of harmful bacteria, putting human health at risk. We are constantly fighting the pink zebra mussel. Divers scrape them off surfaces, and special equipment flushes them from pipes. Chemicals can kill them, but they can also harm other life. Finding a way to control them without hurting the environment is a big challenge. Scientists are working hard to find safer solutions. Stopping the pink zebra mussel from spreading is incredibly important. Everyone needs to know about this problem. Boaters and fishers must clean their equipment carefully so they don't accidentally carry the mussels to new places. Educating people about invasive species and how to stop them is essential. Finding new infestations quickly and acting fast is the best way to limit the damage. The pink zebra mussel shows how our actions, even accidental ones, can have huge effects on nature. We must protect our rivers and lakes from these silent invaders. We need to act now, with urgency and determination, to stop them from spreading further. The future of our waterways and all the life within them depends on it.